Hi all, in this video I'm going to show how do we create SQL database inside SQL Server 2017. First we have to open SQL Management Studio. In the start menu you can type SQL and it shows the SQL Server Management Studio 1.8, actually 18. When we click that one, it get open SQL Server Management Studio 2017. Its version is version 18.0, and in that we have to log the SQL Server. And left side you can see Object Explorer. If you want to create database, we have to open this database folder. In that we have to right click, and there's an option called New Databases, and it will prompt this interface. It actually separates into two sections: general, option, file group. In general, we have to specify general data like what is the database name. In this case, I put as AEA school, and in the database file section, actually every SQL database has two operating system files. First one is data file, which is keep all the data related to the database like tables, index, stored procedures, views, likewise. And other one is local log file. Log file actually contain uh, information that is required to recover all transaction in the database. So you have to specify uh, file location in this file path. Normally we maintain two drivers to maintain this OS files. That is recommended way. And in the option menu option tab, we can see there are a lot of options are there. In later video I will explain what are these options. And basically we have to set the collation. Initial installation of the SQL Server, this default collation is set, and recovery model mean when a database get crashed, how do we recover this database data? So we have three options: full, bulk, simple. Simple one, actually they just keep maintaining the data. They don't maintain any block data, so it is space wise very less space they need. And full text mean they maintain log data and you can fully recover data. In the bulk log, it's actually same as full recovery model, but it high performance bulk copy operations. So likewise, we have three option recovery model. And compatibility level, you can specify which server compatibility we use. In here, this shows 2018 to 2017. 2008 number is 100. 2017 is number is 140. Likewise, we can specify a compatibility level for this database. And in the other option, we have several options. I'll explain this option later. Basically, automatic, under automatic, we can see all the statistic related options. If we can play with this, actually on of these statistic options, and we can help SQL engine to uh, when we do the query, SQL engine get extract data from this statistic, and based on that they execute that query in best way. Uh, Containment type actually it uh, define the data which reside in this database. What are the language and language LCID. Likewise, they specify the language detail, default full text LCD and default language. During the installation, we can see this one. And nested transaction mean normally nested trigger enable mean you can trigger triggers using another trigger. So it goes it goes until 32 levels. Actually, this is in this default. This is set as true. Transform noise word mean if you get English English language, we have noise word like the, is. So in the full text search, we can eliminate this keyword. And likewise, we have so many options. So I'll explain this part in later video. And in the file group, we actually this is for database file. In this section, we can use one database location to keep database information, but if you want to keep multiple file for this database file, you can use this file group. Now those are the basic features in this new database interface. Now we are good to create a new database called AEA School, and we have to press OK, and it will create AEA School database. If you want if you want to change any property, you can go property and you can change in here. That's how we can create a database inside SQL Server 2017.